badass whips. Here's my boy Jaden's car. I just actually rode in it. Y'all see the footage in a second. We ran this, what is it, Holden? So we got a Camaro. And then the Gen 2. I think this is my boy Phil's car. Those are the new Aerospaces. Them bitches are clean. Jeez. With the forged fronts. Damn, this bitch is hard. My boy Dylan said he just raced the S650 and he said that he got him by about 3/4 of a car or so. That's what we could say about a car. So my boy Dylan. So that other S650 is actually about to race this Camaro. Apparently this Camaro got the Gen 2. I'm actually about to ask him. Because if so, that's kind of crazy. This bitch is moving then. It's Gen 1. Holly OTR. That's dope. That is dope. And we got this one. This one's. It says PvP on it. Alright, bet. I think we're about to head out. So let's get up in the car. Alright boys, so I'm about to go run that other S650. What's up?
Are you going?
Yeah, I'm about to go right now. I'm just waiting.
Fully charged?
Huh?
I have one too if you need another one.
Okay, bet. Alright, well we're about to go run that S650 that's way over there. That's Phil, the owner of PBB. Huh? Fuck yeah. Yeah.
You are? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a video. Bro.
Right, here's my question for you.
What's up?
Why the fuck this shit be moving like that?
Bro, it's, you see the inside? We can get it running if you want.
Hell no, what the fuck?
What you mean?
I was just watching your shit.
Appreciate that.
Bro, I seen the clips. This shit is nasty.
Appreciate it, bro.
This ain't in my burger.
Badass run, boys. Shout out that blue Camaro, man. That was a badass run. We raced a while back, and he beat me by like half a car. So, yeah, his shit's running good, bro. Yeah, we're about to head back to the meet. I'm gonna get it running with my boy Antonio. He should beat me. His car is fast. So, yeah, we'll catch you at the meet. All right, boys, going out for another run right now. Running my boy Antonio. Full bolt-on Camaro. This bitch is fast. We'll see how it goes. So I'm in the middle of editing this video, and this clip specifically got a little controversial on Instagram lately because I didn't include it in my IG reel. So a lot of people saw it as like I only post like my wins or whatever. But to be honest, the real reason I didn't include it was because I felt like it wasn't a clean run. Yeah, I still chased, so I did still lose because a chase is a race, but we didn't really leave at the same time. We'd have to rerun it. But yeah, I mean, y'all let me know. I don't know. I didn't think it was a big deal because to me, in my eyes, it wasn't clean. But I don't know. I'll play the slowed down version of it and y'all be the judges. All right, boys.
All right, dog, we're rolling up.
Finish this meet. All right, bet. Go inside. Take care. Yes, sir.
Better record your video fast.
Huh? No, yeah. Just got to run in with boy Dolph, Antonio. Yeah, these shits were fucking moving, boys. These are probably the faster Camaros that I would say in Houston. You can see ET Street front with lightweight brakes, 15 up front, and then he has this crazy trumpet intake with the higher end. His car is gutted as well. Huh? Oh boy, Dolph. And he has 15s in the rear. You said what? Celebration. Yeah, take care, away. Boy, Dolph by the dip. Also, cam intake just Alright, boys, well, that's gonna do it for the night. Got some pretty dope runs in. We ran, the first race we got was me against Phil, the other S650, and we took it to 150, and I had my own issues, but he took the race. I took it to 150, and at 150, to me, it looked like he came around. I'm not sure. I was an idiot, and my GoPro was not in 360 mode, but regardless, me and him know exactly how the race went. And I think he was ahead at 150. His car has crazy top end. His car has insane top end. But yeah, we also raced my boy Corn. That's the wrapped, like the blue chameleon-ish wrapped SS. Last time he ran me, or last time me and him ran, he actually beat me. Beat me by half a car, I believe. I'll put the clip in right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, mind you, I didn't have lightweight brakes yet, but he got me fair and square. But as y'all can see with this race, it was a little bit different. So yeah, as y'all can see there, we actually ended up beating him this time around. This time around when we raced him, I was on brakes. So, and no passenger. Made up for about 3/10 on my dragging time. But yeah, that was a really good run. And then we ended up running my boy Antonio, and he has a full bolt-on SS, white one. Y'all saw it, lightweight brakes. I ran him one time before. It was a long time ago. And I ended up beating him. Barely. We re-ran it this time again. And we got him this time around. Or by a bigger margin. And his car got significantly faster since last time. So take that for what you will. We also ended up running my boy Dolph. That's the red Camaro. This shit's fast too. I thought it was heads cam intake, but apparently it's just cam full bolt-on, no heads. And that bitch is fast, man. But yeah, overall, we had a good night. I was supposed to run my boy Jaden, now thinking about it, but I forgot to. Hey Jaden, if you're watching this, we can get a run in next meet, next good meet like this. I feel like this meet was pretty good. But yeah, really good meet. Had fun going home. It is 3:28 in the morning in Mexico. By the time I get home, might be 3 p.m. So yeah, catch y'all boys in the next one. If y'all enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, comment. Helps the algorithm. Yeah, I'm about to start taking this YouTube shit a lot more seriously. Time to lock in. But yeah, appreciate y'all boys. See y'all later.